Cooking and freezing. Smoked turkey. Rinse turkey. Cook in any pot. I use an instant pot. Boil in water, not broth. Done. Add the turkey broth into containers. I put the broth in small containers. I use it later for beans, greens and cabbage. Store in airtight containers. I use freezer organizer bins to keep items together. Take the meat off of the bones. Remove the skin. Put meat in a food processor to shred. Do the same process to the turkey as the broth. To store. Place in airtight containers. Now this is ready to use when you want that smoked turkey flavor. I add it to the same bin as the turkey broth. Airtight containers, bought from Amazon. Freezer organizer bins, bought from Amazon. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, share.